You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce the name of this borough of New York City. If you want to learn how to pronounce all 5 boroughs and more famous places around NYC, make sure to stay tuned. I'll link to many interesting ones at the end of the video. The Americans say it usually as Manhattan, Manhattan. Now you can say it the more British way or outside the US way. Manhattan. No, Manhattan with a T. Yes, Manhattan or Manhattan. Did you get this? Let me know in the comments. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.